everybody, and as you can see, I am down on Old MacDonald's farm and we're going to have so much fun today. So I'm going to teach you some more signing of some animals on Old MacDonald's farm. Okay, so the first sign I want to teach you is farm. We're going down on the farm today. Okay, let's have a look, guys. So guys, look with your eyes, see what animals we can find. I found a rooster. I found a rooster. So this is a sign for rooster. Okay, keep your eyes open. Let's have a look what else we can find on Old MacDonald's farm. And it's a cow. And the cows go moo. Okay, guys, I want to see you do some signing. Let's do cow. Okay, let's see what else we can find down on Old MacDonald's farm. It's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Can you, anybody else see that duck? Quack, quack, quack. Okay, let's keep going. Keep our eyes open. What else we can find? It's a horse. Can anybody else see that beautiful horse? Let's keep looking. Keep your eyes open. What else we can see? Oh, it's a pig. It's a pig. It's a pink pig that goes oink, oink, oink. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Oh, I see sheep. Okay, guys, I want to see you do some signing. It's sheep. Okay, let's keep going. Keep looking. What else animals we can see? Oh, it's a cat. Meow, meow. And I think this cat is looking at all those animals. Let's keep going. I see some chickens. So this is a sign for chicken, and it's like you're picking up corn. Okay, let's keep going, everybody. Keep your eyes open. It's another animal, and he is watching all the other animals, and it's a dog. It's a dog. Okay, let's see you do some signing. Dog. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Okay, let's keep going. Keep your eyes open, everybody. It's a llama. And this is a pretty cool sign for llama. Can you guys sign llama? Okay, I hope you had really good fun today down on Old MacDonald's farm.